Our planet is filled with beauty and mystery, far beyond the famous wonders we all know. While places like the Grand Canyon and Victoria Falls are iconic, there are other sites that defy logic, places that seem almost alien. These landscapes challenge our understanding of nature, presenting puzzles that have baffled scientists for decades. How can a river boil without a volcano? How can a lake turn animals to stone? These are not just curiosities. They're anomalies that hint at the planet's hidden complexities. Join me as we journey to the world's most impossible places, destinations that blur the line between the possible and the impossible. Prepare to witness Earth at its most bewildering and extraordinary. In northern Tanzania, Lake Natron's blood-red waters warn of its deadly chemistry. With a pH as high as ammonia, the lake's mineral-rich waters preserve animals in stone-like states, creating a haunting gallery of calcified remains. Yet, life persists. Red algae thrive, supporting vast colonies of lesser flamingos, uniquely adapted to the harsh environment. These birds nest on salt islands, safe from predators, making Lake Natron the world's most important flamingo breeding ground. The lake's chemistry, influenced by the nearby Old Doinyo Lengai volcano, creates conditions found almost nowhere else. Scientists study this paradox of death and life, seeking to understand how life adapts to such extremes. Lake Natron is a beautiful, deadly enigma, where nature's rules are rewritten. In Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert, a fiery crater known as the Door to Hell burns endlessly. Created in 1971 when Soviet geologists accidentally released methane gas, the crater was set alight to prevent toxic fumes from spreading. The fire, expected to last weeks, has burned for over 50 years, fueled by vast underground gas reserves. The Darvaza gas crater glows night and day, a surreal landmark visible for miles. Attempts to extinguish it have failed, turning it into an unlikely tourist attraction and a symbol of nature's power and human miscalculation. The Door to Hell is a reminder that sometimes our attempts to control nature unleash forces beyond our grasp. It stands as one of Earth's strangest, most mesmerizing places. Beneath Romania, Movile Cave has been sealed off for over 5 million years, creating a world without sunlight. Its toxic atmosphere, rich in hydrogen sulfide and low in oxygen, supports a unique ecosystem based on chemosynthesis, not photosynthesis. Bacteria feed on sulfur compounds, forming the base of a food web supporting blind, pigmentless creatures found nowhere else. Nearly 50 species, including spiders and scorpions, have evolved in total darkness. Movile Cave offers a glimpse into how life might exist on other planets, thriving without sunlight. Access is tightly restricted to protect this fragile ecosystem. It's a hidden world, a testament to life's adaptability in the most unlikely places. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, the legendary boiling river, Shanay Timpishka, is real. Stretching over 4 miles, its waters reach up to 186 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to kill anything that falls in. Despite being far from any volcano, scientists believe rainwater seeps deep into the earth, is superheated by geothermal energy, and resurfaces through a fault line. This rare hydrothermal system creates a river that boils in the heart of the jungle. For the local Ashaninka people, it's a sacred site, used for healing and protected for generations. The boiling river remains a geological puzzle, reminding us that legends can reveal real, unexplained wonders. It's a place where science and myth meet in the steamy heart of the Amazon. In Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, the Brule River splits, one half vanishing into the mysterious Devil's Kettle. For years, objects tossed in disappeared without a trace, fueling wild theories about underground tunnels or portals. Recent studies solve the mystery. The water rejoins the river almost immediately, hidden by powerful churning currents beneath the falls. The chaos of the plunge pool destroys anything thrown in, explaining why nothing resurfaces. The Devil's Kettle is not a portal, but a masterful illusion of geology. It's a reminder that even the strangest mysteries can have elegant, natural explanations. Sometimes nature's tricks are more fascinating than the myths. In Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys, blood falls pours from the Taylor Glacier, a 5-story cascade of deep red water. The color comes from iron-rich, ancient water trapped beneath the glacier for over 1 million years. When exposed to air, the iron oxidizes, turning the water blood red. This subglacial lake is 3 times saltier than seawater, and supports microbes that survive without light or oxygen. Blood Falls offers a glimpse into life's resilience in extreme environments, hinting at possibilities for life on other worlds. It's a geological spectacle and a scientific treasure, revealing secrets from Earth's distant past. Blood Falls is a portal to a hidden, ancient world beneath the ice. The Bermuda Triangle, between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico, is infamous for mysterious disappearances of ships and planes. Stories of vanishing crews and malfunctioning compasses have fueled wild theories, from alien abductions to underwater portals. Science points to natural explanations. Rapid weather changes, strong currents, and deep ocean trenches make navigation treacherous. Methane gas eruptions from the seafloor could also cause ships to sink suddenly. While many tales are exaggerated, the region's unique conditions make it genuinely hazardous. The Bermuda Triangle remains a powerful legend where fact and fiction merge in the deep Atlantic. It's a place where mystery and science collide. Over Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, Catatumbo lightning creates the world's most persistent storm. Lightning flashes up to 300 nights a year. The phenomenon is fueled by unique topography and wind patterns, with warm, moist air rising and forming storm clouds trapped by surrounding mountains. Methane from oil deposits may enhance the electrical activity, making the lightning even more intense. This lighthouse of Maracaibo has guided sailors for centuries and generates massive amounts of atmospheric ozone. The Catatumbo lightning is a breathtaking, silent display of nature's power, an eternal storm that lights up the night. It's a reminder of the complex forces shaping our planet's climate. In Death Valley's racetrack playa, massive rocks mysteriously glide across the desert, leaving long tracks behind. For decades, no one saw them move, and theories ranged from wind to the supernatural. The mystery was solved in 2013. Rare winter rains create a thin layer of ice, and as it melts, light winds push the rocks across the slick surface. The stone's slow, silent journey is a dance of ice, wind, and water. The sailing stones show how simple natural forces can create seemingly impossible phenomena. Sometimes the world's greatest mysteries are solved by patience and observation. Nature's choreography is more magical than any myth. Off Mauritius, an underwater waterfall appears to plunge into the ocean depths. A stunning optical illusion. From above, sand and silt are swept off the edge of a shallow coastal shelf, creating the illusion of a waterfall cascading into the abyss. The effect is visible only from the air, where the colors of sand and deep water blend into a breathtaking spectacle. It's a perpetual sandfall, not a true waterfall, shaped by ocean currents and dramatic seafloor topography. The underwater waterfall is a reminder that perspective can transform reality, revealing wonders hidden in plain sight. Sometimes the impossible is just a matter of how you look at the world. From petrifying lakes to endless storms, these impossible places reveal the boundless creativity of our planet. They challenge our assumptions and expand our sense of what's possible. Each site is a frontier of knowledge, inspiring scientists and explorers alike. The world is still full of mysteries waiting to be discovered in the deepest oceans and highest mountains. Which of these places amazed you most? Share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more journeys into Earth's most mind-blowing wonders.